The Mind Museum, like all science museums, requires you to explore on your own. It will greatly help that you also read the signs. We would appreciate that you handle our interactive exhibits carefully, so that others after you can enjoy them too. Kindly make your way to the exit once the museum song starts to play. This will signal the end of your time slot. You may also visit science in the park outside, where you can continue your experience. Let your curiosity guide you. Begin your journey of wonder now.
Thank you, AD. So good morning again. Welcome to the Mind Museum. So as AD said, the Mind Museum is designed to be explored on its own. But before that, we'll have one of our Mind Movers, or our resident scientists, take you inside. So please follow Mind Mover Uzi over there. She's our resident physicist. She'll bring you to one of the galleries. So kindly stand up